We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
So how do you clean them to sound as good as new? Apple Support suggests using a soft, dry, lint-free cloth to clean AirPods, but if you've tried you'll know this doesn't do much to help low or muffled sound quality. To bring that bass back you need to get the built-up wax out.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.